Hello everyone, another day, another vlog. Hello kabars. Look at the weather everyone. Nice weather. Snow is gone. Finally. Finally, spring is here. Spring is here. Wow. Happy Easter everyone. Happy Easter. Look at the trees. Next month maybe. Yeah, it's growing the leaves. Maybe for next month pa. April na eh. So, probably next month. Pag laging na guys, plus na. Then they growing the leaves. Busel. Ganon. Wow, dapat ganito na lang weather, no? Wala nang winter, wala nang autumn, wala nang ganito na lang. Spring. Autumn and spring. It's a nice weather. Yes, perfect weather. But wala nang winter. Kawawa man kami, guys. Yep. Yan. Doon tayo galing. Naglakad tayo ng 30 minutes. So, diba? Exercise. Exercise na rin yan, guys. Kaya, mahal na ang gas eh. Mahal ng gas. Kahit mura ang gas, I'm still walking. Keep walking and walking. Winter man, spring man, summer man. Still walking. Exercise, guys. Yeah. Lalo ngayon, mahal ang gasolina. Nako, marunong kayo maglakad, guys. Ano ba? Push your energy. Come on, push your energy. Magbike kayo, maglakad kayo. Matuto na kayo maglakad, guys. Mahal ng gas. Yep. Alright. Ganon. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Ayan mga yan. Tatanggalin na yung mga yan. Kurtingan ng mga pine tree yan. That's for the winter. Ayan, may kunting snow pa dun. Tutuna pa kunti. Ayun. Dahon. Last year pa yan. Oh, it's growing. Oh. Maliit na It's growing na yun. Yung parang aba-aba ata yung na-plant. Snow. Hoy, matunaw ka na. Ayan, nagbabasa na mga snow. Pupunta dyan, doon sa road. Yep. Bilis naman yung airplane. Oh, diba? But guys, 30 minutes walking. Nandito na tayo. Walking ng parang walking ng army walking. Army walking para may hinahabol. Dumi oh. Grabe. Dumi. Yung mga leaves pa last year. That was October. November. Kasi parang napaaga ata yung snow nung kaya hindi sila napaglinis yung mga gardener. Hindi nila na agad yung dahon. Yung mga kolektor ng dahon. Kaya yan. Nagkakalat-kalat sa mga backyard. Front yard. Opo. Ganon. Alright. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now. Walking pag may time. Bye-bye po. God bless everyone. Happy Easter again and again and again. Oh, aeroplane oh. Ang taas oh. Long weekend po dito. Easter, whole week. Long weekend. Bye-bye. Love you all.